Clouding has gone mainstream, with most organizations adopting infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service. XaaS, or Everyting-as-a-Service, is becoming the IT operating model to drive digital businesses, freeing CIOs from it as cost center stigma and associate the concept of managing IT as a product. However, XaaS is not confined to the digital product. Instead, it can get practically everything. But the new era has everything as a service, which includes the broadened offerings such as desktop as a service, container as a service, storage as a service, and many more. This new era cloud service encompassed any computing service delivered over the internet and paid for a flexible consumption model. Some practical implementation of XaaS other than SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS are: hardware as a service. The service provider owns some hardware and installs it on the customer's site on demand, and the customer utilizes the hardware accordingly. This service is much more cost-saving as compared to IaaS and is suitable for small or mid-size businesses. Communication as a service. This service model includes different communication solutions such as VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, instant messaging, video conferencing applications that are hosted in the service provider's cloud. The company can selectively deploy communication applications as per need for any period of time and pay for that only. Desktop as a service. In this service model, desktops are delivered as virtual services and the apps required along with the desktop. The client can work on a cloud-based desktop, which can be more powerful and productive. The DaaS service provider is responsible for storing, securing, and backing up all user data and deliver upgrades from time to time. Security as a service. The service provider integrates its security services into the organization's infrastructure and delivers them over the internet. The services include delivering antivirus solutions, intrusion detection/prevention systems, encryption, authentication, etc. Healthcare as a service. The healthcare industry is transforming with the HaaS solutions that created opportunities for almost all categories of citizens and provides online consultation with doctors, health monitoring 24/7, medicine delivery at doorstep, lab sample collection at home and delivery of report, all-time access to medical report. Transportation as a service. The availability of cabs and taxis at the doorstep are all results of the TaaS solutions, which provide the mobility and freedom of transportation anywhere. The service models does not restricts here. There are various other models as well and some are still under development. Module 3 ends up here. In the next module we will discuss the cloud deployment models. If you had any issue during the module, please write us at the mail ID provided. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for instant notification of the launch of next module.